Imagine a bear. For months, he's been working hard gathering nuts and berries and saving up his acorns. He has a neat little pile tucked away, and he's saving for one thing: the largest, most delicious pot of golden honey from the local shop. In this forest, acorns are money. Honey is what everyone wants. And the bees? They're the businesses working tirelessly to produce that honey. One sunny afternoon, the bear takes his saved acorns to the shop. But when he gets there, he finds the price has changed. The big pot of honey he'd been dreaming of now costs more acorns than he has. His savings can only buy a much smaller jar. He feels cheated, confused. What happened? This is inflation. It's a silent thief. Sometimes the bees have to fly farther to find flowers, so it costs them more to make honey. They charge the shop owner a higher price. The shop owner has no choice but to raise his prices for the bears.
Other times, the government, a wise old owl, might decide to help everyone by dropping a giant supply of new acorns into the forest. Suddenly, every bear feels rich. They all rush to buy honey, but the bees can't make honey any faster. With too many acorns chasing too little honey, the shop owner has to raise the price to manage the demand. This isn't just about one disappointing trip to the store. The real danger is what's happening to the bear's main stash of acorns back home. That pile he worked so hard to build, it looks exactly the same. The acorns haven't run away, but every single day, their power to buy things, their purchasing power, gets weaker. He's losing wealth without losing a single acorn. It's a trick of the economy. This slow drain creates a feeling of uncertainty throughout the forest. Bears start to worry. Will their acorns be enough for the long winter? They grow more cautious, spending only on what they absolutely need. This worry spreads, and soon the bees find that fewer bears are buying their special flower-infused honey, and their businesses start to struggle.
So what's a smart bear to do? Just letting your acorns sit in a pile is like trying to store water in a leaky bucket. The value slowly drips away. The key is to make your acorns work for you. Instead of just hoarding them, our bear could use some of his acorns to invest. Maybe he helps a young group of bees build a brand new hive. In exchange, he gets a small share of all the honey that hive produces in the future. As the hive grows, so does his return. Or he could buy a small sunny patch of berry bushes. Those bushes don't just sit there, they grow and produce more berries year after year. The value of his patch of land could grow even faster than the price of honey. Even the government owl sometimes offers a special kind of acorn bond, where the number of acorns you get back grows along with inflation, protecting your savings from losing power. Inflation isn't some big scary monster that attacks you in the night. It's more like a quiet river current, always flowing against your savings, gently pulling their value downstream. You can't stop the river, but you can learn to build a boat. Understanding that your acorns must be active, invested, growing, and working is how you build that boat. It's the single most important step to protecting what you've earned and ensuring you can always afford your pot of honey. Not just today, but for all the winters to come.